What is the ratio in which the point -1, -1 divides the line segment joining the point 4, 4 and 7, 7? Okay, so let us begin. So here we have 2 points joined by a straight line. We're going to name the 2 points as A with the coordinates 4, 4 and B as coordinates 7, 7. So let's say there is another point C lying between point A and B, and that has the coordinate -1, 1. So our task will be by what ratio does point C divides AB. So we're going to suppose that it divides, let's say, into ratio K:1. Now clearly here C is dividing the line segment A and B internally. We're supposing that it's dividing it internally, then we're going to use the internal section formula. All we have to do is take K and multiply it with B, and we'll multiply 1 with A. Fine. Now the coordinates of point C, which is -1, -1. Now in terms of the section formula, it can be obtained as, or we'll have to take the value of K and multiply it with the x coordinate of B. So that's going to be 7. So we have 7K added to, we have 1 multiplied to the x coordinate of 4. So that's going to be simply 4 divided by the sum of the ratio. So that's going to be K plus 1. Coming to the y coordinate, we'll multiply K with the y coordinate of B. So that's going to be 7K added to 1 times the y coordinate of A. So that's going to be 4 as well, divided by K plus 1. So we're going to equate both of them. So we have 7K plus 4 divided by K plus 1. So this is going to be equals to -1. And let's solve for the value of K. So we have 7K plus 4 equals to, cross multiplying K plus 1 with -1. We have -K minus 1. This gives us the value 8K. So that's going to be equals to -5. Solving for K, we get K will be equals to -5/8. Or we can say K:1 has the ratio -5/8. But in our option, we can clearly observe here that we don't have any negative ratio. So negative sign tells us that actually C is dividing the point AB not internally but externally. And that's taken into account by the negative sign here, since we have used the formula for internal section formula for internal division. So that means option D, so the actual ratio is going to be K:1, so that's going to be 5:8. All we have done is replace the value of K with 5/8. So option D is going to be the correct answer. You can also verify your answer by taking point A as 4, 4, point B as 7, 7, and then you join AB, and we are going to consider point C, which is to the right of B, and this is going to be -1, -1. Here we have AC, that's going to be K, and B is going to be 1, which means that C is dividing AB into ratio K:1, but externally. And if we use the external section formula, then we're going to get K:1 as a positive value, 5:8. So either way, it's correct.